How to change lowercase to uppercase in Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet software that allows you to manipulate and analyze data in various ways. One of the ways is to change the case of text in your cells, such as converting lowercase to uppercase, or vice versa. There are several methods to change lowercase to uppercase in Excel, depending on your preference and situation. Here are some of the most common methods. Use the upper function. This is a built-in function that converts any text to uppercase. To use it, type equals upper, cell, in a cell, where cell is the reference of the cell that contains the text you want to convert. For example, if you want to convert the text in cell A1 to uppercase, type equals upper, A1, in another cell. You can also copy and paste this formula to other cells or use the fill handle to drag it down or across. Use the flash fill feature. This is a feature that automatically fills in values based on a pattern you enter. To use it, type the text in uppercase in the first cell next to the column that contains the lowercase text. Then press Ctrl+E or go to Data Flash Fill to fill in the rest of the cells with uppercase text. Use Power Query. This is a tool that lets you import, transform, and analyze data from various sources. To use it, select the column that contains the lowercase text and go to Data from Table/Range. This will open the Power Query Editor window. In the Transform tab, click Format Uppercase. Then click Close and Load to apply the changes. Use Power Pivot Row Level Formula. This is a feature that lets you create calculated columns using data analysis expressions, DAX, language. To use it, select any cell in your table and go to Data Manage Data Model. This will open the Power Pivot window. In the Home tab, click Calculated Column. In the formula bar, type equals upper, column name, where column name is the name of the column that contains the lowercase text. Press Enter to apply the formula. Use an all caps font. This is a simple way to change the appearance of your text without changing its actual value. To use it, select the cells that contain the lowercase text and go to Home Font drop-down list. Choose a font that has only uppercase letters, such as Copperplate Gothic Bold or Rockwell Extra Bold. Use a shortcut key. This is a quick way to change lowercase to uppercase using keyboard shortcuts. To use it, select the cell that contains the lowercase text and press Ctrl+J. This will convert the text to uppercase. You can also press Ctrl+M to convert only the first letter of each word to uppercase, or Ctrl+Q to convert all letters to lowercase. Learn more, change the case of text, Microsoft support. https://support.microsoft.com/n-a/office/change-the-case-of-text-